Camp Griddle more, let's make Andy Steele's garlic butter ham and cheese sliders on King's Hawaiian rolls on my all-time favorite Blackstone Griddle, the classic 22-inch. Let's get camping and let's get cooking. Camp Griddle more, there are so many awesome people working behind the scenes in Griddle Nation for Blackstone products, and Andy Steele is one of them. I follow his producer Andy Cook's Instagram account, and he has been making some incredible food. So when I saw these garlic butter ham and cheese sliders, I knew that I had to make them. So let's get started by making Andy Steele's special sauce. This sauce has a base of Duke's mayo and classic yellow mustard, and we're going about 5 to 1, 5 to the mayo, 1 to the mustard. Maybe you could go a little bit more on the mustard on this one if you want. Then we're going to use equal parts garlic powder, onion powder, coarse kosher salt, or you could use sea salt, and some black peppercorn, and do that to taste. I just gave it a little spritz of each one. Now let's make our garlic butter, which is going to be the star of the show in my opinion. Let's mince up 4 garlic cloves, and then we're going to put an entire stick of butter into the Blackstone Griddle top basting pot, put it on the griddle on high heat, and then slide in our minced garlic, and we're just going to let that start to melt, and we're going to let that start to cruise, and we will check on it again in a second. We are going to use 9 King's Hawaiian rolls, 3x3 for this cook, partly because they fit perfectly under our basting dome. Obviously you could do more, you could do less, but it's a perfect fit for the basting dome that we're using today. I always have trouble slicing these in half easily, so I'm gonna go very slowly, very carefully, and guess what? Today I had success. I sliced them perfectly. Now we are ready to go down with our Black Forest ham on the bottom of our King's Hawaiian rolls, and then we are going to put our Havarti on top, and I'm just spreading across 1 slice of the Havarti cheese on this. If you put too much cheese on, you may have some trouble getting it all to melt nicely. Now on the inside of the top of the King's Hawaiian rolls, we are going to spread around Andy's special slider sauce, and we're going to go generous on this. Use as much or as little as you like, but it is very tasty sauce. Camp Griddle more, it is very important to stay on low heat for this cook so you do not burn the tops or bottoms of the King's Hawaiian rolls. So let's go down with some of the garlic butter on the right side of our griddle, and then we are going to put the whole bottom section of our sandwiches down. We're going to spread some water around it, and we're going to quickly dome these so we get our cheese melting lightning fast. Now let's put some garlic butter down on the left side of my Blackstone 22-inch griddle, which is also on low heat, and we will put down the tops of our King's Hawaiian rolls. It has been a couple of minutes going low and slow on these sliders, so let's remove the basting dome. Our cheese is nicely melted. We're going to quickly spread some arugula on the top, then we're going to head over to the left side of our griddle, use the spatula here, scoop up the tops of our sliders, and we are going to carefully flip them onto the bottoms and remove them from the griddle, and they are looking pretty darn good to me. Finishing touches here, Camp Griddle more. Let's go down with a little bit more of that garlic butter on the top, and then sprinkle some coarse kosher salt to finish it off. All right, Camp Griddle more, let's dive in and take a bite of Andy Steele's garlic butter ham and cheese sliders. Let's get the cheesiest one. Andy said the arugula was optional. Arugula is never optional in my book. Of course we're gonna go with the arugula. The Andy Steele secret slider sauce is so good on this. It is smooth, it is creamy, it's just got a little bit of a kick from that mustard. It comes together really nicely. These are awesome. You could make so many of these at a time too, if you're camping with friends or if you're at a party. Absolutely delicious. Good job, producer Andy Cooks. This cook goes quick, everybody. You gotta keep your eye on the tops and the bottoms of your Hawaiian rolls. It's a matter of timing to get this perfect with the cheese melting and the tops and bottoms done perfectly. All right, Camp Griddle more, make sure that you are following producer Andy Cooks. You'll get all kinds of behind the scenes Blackstone content, and he's doing tons of good recipes, and he is one of the nicest guys in all of Griddle Nation. Thanks everybody for watching, and we'll see you next week right here on Camp Griddle more.